Hello, my dear children. How are you? Fine? All are good? Very good. So, children, do you remember in our last class we have seen parts of plants? Yes? Do you remember? And we have seen their rhyme also. Have you enjoyed it? Very good. So, today we'll revise that parts of plant and we'll see more that what we get from plants. Okay? Now children, can you see this in picture? Yes? Can you see this picture? Yes. In this picture, we can see different types of parts of plant. Can you see? Yes. See here, yellow flower, red tomato, है ना इसमें? Leaf, stem, yes na? And yes, roots. Can you see this? Roots are under the soil. Yes, roots are always under the soil. Okay, children? Now today we'll learn what things we get from plants. Do you know, children? Plants are very useful for us. We get so many things from plant. Do you want to see? Yes? Let's start. Children, do you know plants gives us oxygen to breathe? Can you see in this picture? Yes, plants gives us oxygen to breathe. हम लोग जो सांस लेते हैं ना, वो ऑक्सीजन जो हमें मिलता है वो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है. So plants gives us oxygen to breathe. So can we live without oxygen? हम सांस लिए बिना रह सकते हैं? No. So plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Okay, children. Now we'll see next. See, children, what is this? Very juicy fruits. Yes, can you see this? So many fruits are here, na? Yes. Fruits कहाँ से मिलते हैं हमको? Yes, we get fruits from plants. Okay, plants से हमें different fruits मिलते हैं. Okay, now we'll see next example what we get from plants. Okay. Now, can you see this, children? What is this? Tell me. क्या है ये? Ma'am is waiting. Tell me, what is this? Yes, very good. This is wood, लकड़ी, जो हमें plant से मिलती है. Can you see this? Yes, this is also we get from plant. We use this wood to making furnitures. हमारे घर में जो furnitures होते हैं ना, bed होता है, then हमारे door होते हैं, cupboards होते हैं, yes ना? So they all made from wood and we get wood from plants. Okay, children? Now we'll see next example. Now this is vegetables. Very good, children. Children, we get vegetables from plants. Okay, can you see this vegetables? So many vegetables are here, na? Yes, so we get vegetables from plants. Okay, children? Now teacher will show you some more examples of things that we get from plants. Okay? Now, children, do you know plants give shelter to birds? Birds होता है ना, वो plant में अपना nest बना के रहता है ना, छोटा सा. Can you see in this picture? छोटा सा एक nest है, bird का shelter, bird का घर बना हुआ है, plant में बना हुआ है ना? Yes. So plants give शेल्टर टू बर्ड्स, ताकि बर्ड्स उसमें रह सके। अब बर्ड्स अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं प्लांट्स के अंदर, ठीक है। नाउ विल सी मोर एग्जांपल्स। नाउ चिल्ड्रन विल सी मोर अबाउट द थिंग्स which we get from plants. Okay? Now can you see here? मैम ने यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें रखी हैं, yes ना? So this all things we get from plants. Yes. ठीक है, मैम आपको बताती है. Now can you see here? These two are pulses. These two are pulses. This is येलो मूंग दाल. पल्सेस को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? दाल. यू नो, हम जो दाल राइस खाते हैं, वी यूज टू विथ चपाती ऑल्सो. यस ना? सो दिस इज येलो दाल एंड दिस इज ग्रीन दाल. वी यूज टू से पल्सेस, हम उसे पल्सेस कहते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज येलो पल्सेस एंड दिस इज green pulses. Okay? Now, do you know, children? These both pulses are very healthy for us. Yes. ठीक है, हमको उसे खाना चाहिए. Okay, children? Now, children, can you see this? This is rajma, small rajma. ठीक है? It is color is red. It is red in color. Can you see here? Yes. अभी राजमा को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पल्सेस? नो, राजमा को हम बीन्स बोलते हैं. Can you see here? Yes, this is beans. Okay, children? Now, can you see here, children? What is this? This is dry fruit. Almond and cashew nut. Can you see? बादाम और काजू, है ना? उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? बादाम को क्या बोलते हैं? आलमंड. और काजू को क्या बोलते हैं? कैश्यू नट. वेरी गुड. सो दिस ऑल्सो वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट. ओके चिल्ड्रन? सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? वी गेट सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम प्लांट. ओके? We get so many things from plants. Plants are very useful for us. Do you know that? Yes. So, now children, what you have to do, you have to collect all the things which we get from plant. Like different types of pulses, different types of dry fruits. Okay? And you have to explain your parents. Okay? And dear parents, while your child is explaining this, please take a video and send it to us. Now, once again, teacher will tell you what we get from plants. Okay, children? You all are ready to listen? Yes. So, we get so many things from plants. We get oxygen from plant to breathe it. We get vegetables, fruits, flowers. Yes na? Yes, we get wood from plant. मैम ने दिखाया था ना? And we get different types of pulses from plants, dry fruit, beans. Okay children? Now we'll do an activity. Okay?